That's my name, Mrs. Lucy Lou. Mrs. Lucy Lou. Could you be any cuter? Could you be any cuter? Huh?
Baby wants a kiss.
Oh, baby, want a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. You want Beba back? You want baby back? There you go. There you go.
Oh, good job. You gonna take baby for a ride?
That haircut is just too cute. There she goes, taking baby for a ride. Taking baby for a ride. Taking baby for a ride?
What?
Oh, you want her to push baby?
You want me to push baby?
Okay, she'll push baby.
Here we go. Good job. Baby's going for a walk. Can you say walk? You should be up here getting her from the front. Go fish to daddy. Is it doggy? Is it doggy?
Is that doggies? Is that the doggies? You see the doggies?
Oh, you're doing kisses for doggy?
You're doing kisses for the doggies?
That's nice, honey. That's nice. Woof, 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 woof. Say doggy. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. You say doggy? Stay on the sidewalk, please.